All right, now you guys, we're gonna go ahead and now we're gonna jump to the next step, which is going to be throttle control. So now we're gonna integrate the throttle control with the clutch, okay? Now this is when it gets scary, okay? But it's not really scary. You don't need to be scared. What I say, this ain't for pussies. You gotta know what you gotta do. You gotta put the bike where you wanna put it, okay? All we're gonna do is give it just a little bit of gas. We're not gonna over rev. We don't want that. That's too much. That's too much. It's way too much. If you can see the RPMs is even better, we want to just move it ever so slightly. So right now the RPMs is hovering around 1,000, right? So let's try to bring it up to like maybe 1100, or there you go, somewhere roughly around like maybe like 14. You see, it's not really much. You're just giving it a little bit of gas. Might want to give it a little bit more. 1,500, 2,000. Right there you go. And then whenever you get scared, pull that clutch. You fine. The bike gonna stop moving. Pull that clutch if you get scared. All right, so look, we're gonna pull the clutch, first gear. We're gonna start to roll on the throttle as we're letting that clutch out. You just start to find the friction zone and pull on the throttle, and then just pick your feet up. Don't give it too much. Don't give it too much. You get scared, pull the clutch. You see what just happened? It's still running, but you got that clutch pulled. Use a combination of your foot brake and your hand brake, and you come to a complete stop. We want to turn. So what we're going to do is turn our head, pull the clutch out, turn your handlebars, pull that clutch out, and roll on the throttle ever so slightly. Ever so slightly. There you go. Put your feet up. You turning, baby, just like that. Now you back in position 1. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to control the throttle and the clutch, and we're going to make it all the way straight down. Okay, so now we are in the first gear. Just let out that clutch and roll on that throttle ever so slightly. Oh, real gentle, baby. Oh yeah, just like that. And we moving, baby, and pick your feet up. Now you riding a motorcycle, yo. Congratulations, you are now riding a motorcycle. Pull that clutch, pull that brake, put your foot down on that brake, come to a stop, just like that. Yo, you riding a motorcycle now, yo. Round of applause, man. Put her in neutral, put her in neutral. Round of applause, you're riding a motorcycle now. Round of applause, good job, you guys, good work, hard work. Awesome job, you guys. Now, let's integrate what we just learned to riding the motorcycle. Let's go ahead and turn it around. We're going to do every step from the beginning, okay? The first thing that we're going to do, we come around to the side the motorcycle's leaning on, okay? We take our hand, boom. Take this hand, grab that front brake, lift that leg up. Sit down. Pull that foot lever up. We're on the motorcycle. We're nice and comfortable. We got it. We got the wheel straight. Always make sure everything is straight. Now, once we do that, we're going to go down to the key. On position. Run. Clutch. Make sure we're in neutral. Start. Now it's time to go. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys how to shift, okay? So whenever you shift, you're going to pull the clutch, roll off of the throttle. As you get ready to shift, you go back. You pull the clutch, you roll off of the throttle, you take your foot, you shift up. And then you do the same sequence over. And you do the same thing over. When you get ready to downshift, you do the same thing. You pull the clutch, you roll off of the throttle, drop a gear. Same thing, drop a gear. Same thing, okay? So that's what we're going to do, okay? I'm gonna put it back in neutral. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to work the clutch, work the throttle. We're going to shift up as we go down. We're going to see if we can get her up into second gear, okay? And once we get her there, I'm going to show you how to downshift. And from there, you'll basically be riding a motorcycle for real, for real. So pull the clutch, drop her down in the first. Slowly let out the clutch, slowly roll on the throttle. And then we're gonna go a little bit faster. Shift. Pull that clutch, drop down. Just like that, okay? we need a little bit more room, so I'm gonna do it again, okay? So we're gonna pull the clutch, drop it in the first, slowly rolling that throttle, let out that clutch. And we gotta get up the speed, so we gotta speed up just a little bit, so just give it a little bit. Don't twist it so much, because you're gonna be out of control. Just give it a little bit, just a little bit, and then from there, that's when we can pull the clutch, roll off of the throttle, shift up, and then start to roll back on the throttle as we let go of the clutch, okay? So let's try it again. Shift, pull the clutch, up. Then you step on your brake, pull that clutch, drop back down to the first. Just like that. And now we're shifting, y'all. Now we're shifting. Now we're gonna court, and now this might be a little extra, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna start to connect everything together. What we're gonna do is we're going to do our turning chin to shoulder so we can ride around in a circle, okay? And we're gonna use speed to get up into those higher gears, and we're gonna do that as we come around this whole parking lot right here, okay? So let's try it again, okay? We're gonna drop it in the first. Let's turn our handlebars. Always turn your handlebars before you get ready to make a tight turn. And then you turn your head, pull it. So give it a little speed. Shift. We can downshift. Turn your head. Roll on the throttle as you turn. Always roll on that throttle as you turn. Always roll on that throttle as you turn. As you turn, roll on that throttle. Roll on that throttle as you turn. Always roll on that throttle. Shift. Downshift. Roll on that throttle as you turn. Shift. Downshift. Roll on that throttle as you turn. Keep your head turned. We're gonna do it one more time. Shift. Downshift. Roll on that throttle as you turn. Don't be scared. Come to a stop. Put the bike into neutral. Let go of the clutch to turn the bike off. Runs position straight to off. Turn your key. Off position. Foot peg. Lean the bike. Turn your handlebars. Always turn your handlebars. Same way you got on. You see my leg? Same way I got on. I get off. Just like that. Congratulations, you guys. You are riding a motorcycle. You are officially a motorcycle rider. One of the things my instructor used to always say is, after we got finished, he said, all right, now, how many of you guys never rode a motorcycle before? And the entire class would raise their hand. He said, all of you just did. So congratulations, you guys. You are now officially riding a motorcycle. Now, I am no way an instructor or a professional licensed instructor as far as motorcycle riding or anything else like that. This is just all of the things that I've learned, and I just want to share it with you guys. Hopefully this can build up enough courage for someone to actually want to get on a motorcycle. But other than that, check your local Harley-Davidson, your local motorcycle shop to see what courses that they have. Just about all of them have MSF courses, and you can sign up for the MSF course. If you check out Harley-Davidson, most Harley-Davidsons, I'm pretty sure all of them does, that if you do the MSF course, or if you plan to buy a motorcycle from there, they'll give you a discount either way. So with me, I decided on getting my Iron 883 from Harley of Baltimore, and as I did that, they hooked me up with the MSF course. So that worked out for me. If you complete the class, they also give you a certificate that you can take directly up to your local MVA or DMV and get your input on your license. So you guys, check with your local Harley-Davidson or your local motorcycle shop just to see what options they have for the MSF course, you guys. If you guys are enjoying the content, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, give that bell icon a good old rub down, and I'll be sure to keep y'all in the loop with all of the DIYs, all of the how-tos, all of the test rides, and you already know all of the fun. I'm Bad 883, man. Congratulations, you are now officially riding a motorcycle. If not, you're probably in a hospital because you didn't listen to what I told you to do. Man, I love y'all. Y'all stay safe out there. Keep a look out for all of these crazies, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Deuces.